assessing session management mechanism, and we are going to discuss regarding the testing for a cookie attribute. So important user specific information such as a session token. So generally cookies always saved in a client browser. Due to their importance, cookies need to be protected from the malicious attacker, any JavaScript attack. And this protection usually comes in the form of two flags: secure and HTTP only. So first, secure flag. So secure flag is informed that the browser to only send the cookie to web server if the protocol is encrypted, for example HTTPS or TLS. So this flag protected the cookie from eavesdropping over unencrypted channel. Now HTTP only flag. So it instruct the browser to not allow access or any manipulation of the cookie via JavaScript. So this flag protect the cookie from the cross-site scripting attacks. In this video we are going to doing the practical for cookie attributes. So cookie attributes, so most important user specific information such as a session token is often stored in cookie within the client browser. Due to their importance, cookie need to be protected from malicious attacks. So this protection usually comes in the form of two flags: secure and HTTP only. So the secure flag inform the browser to only send this cookie to web server if the protocol is encrypted, for example HTTPS, TLS. So this flag protects the cookies from eavesdropping over unencrypted channel. So the HTTP only flag is instruct the browser to not allow access or manipulation of the cookie via JavaScript. So this flag is protect from the cookies from cross-site scripting attack. So first, uh, we will check in our lab. So just open the utility lab and just make sure you are not logged in. After that, you have to check your HTTP history, check the GET request, and check the response. So here we can see that the set of two cookies here. So examining the end of the set cookies assignment line. So notice the absence of HTTP only flag for both lines. So this means the PHP session ID and shown with cookies value are not protected from the JavaScript script manipulation. So this is the security finding that you would include in your report if you are not getting that type of secure flag here. So in this case, make sure your cookie is set with the secure and HTTP flag only. So here is the missing that. So this is the one type of vulnerability. So we can consider as a cookie attribute. So it's do not prevent from the uh, JavaScript. Like anyone can attack the cross-site scripting. So this is all about the cookie attributes lab. So I will show how it will look like if HTTP flag is enabled. So in both line, look, I think as per the, so here missing is secure and HTTP only. So make sure this is available in both set of cookies. So this indicate that the secure flag. So this is all about the cookie attributes.